Okay, that's the intro to I'm So Glad by Cream. We've got this chromatic walk-up, 2 on the A string, 1 on the G string. We're gonna walk into that 5-4. Once we hit the 5-4, we're in a new measure. We have the 5 and 4, another bass note, first string to second string, back to the bass, and that's like. So we kind of let that first string ring just slightly. And then little string again, bass, second string, first string, bass. And that's our pattern for all these little chords. We're going to do chromatic here. We got. Okay, so it's. You just go down 1 fret, hit the 4 and the 3. So pattern's the same, 4 and 3, and then bass again. Little one holds out a little bit to the second, bass first, bass, second, first, bass. Okay, so. Do the same thing on the 3 and 2. 2 and 1, we're gonna go. So bum da ding da dum ding, and then we're back to the walk up. Last one just keeps on with the full pattern instead of having to do another walk-up chromatic there. Okay, and take a look at the free downloadable tabs on this. Gonna make it a lot easier. I'm gonna do the intro one more time. We're gonna move on to the chorus, strums. So we have E power chord, 7-9-9 there in the A string, down to the D power chord and back, so it's like 3, 4. E, D, E to the D, to the E. Okay, we do that like twice through, then we have this E chord, and then we're gonna have this kind of mute the E and do the 4, 4, 2, open, open. That's like a F minor 7, kind of 11 type thing. Hear that in the Melissa tune by the Allman Brothers also. So we got E, we got this F sharp type thing. We're gonna have a G type of thing. That's 5, 5, 4, open, open. Back to the F sharp one. So it's like. And then faster on the way back. Do that again. Back to your chorus. And then this chord thing is a verse. Do that again. Another chorus. Okay, then we're into the solo. So I'm gonna play the solo for you here. We got. Okay, so our first thing is hammer 7 to 9 on the G. So we do a hammer-on pull-off after that, 7, 9, 7, and then come back to the 9 and bend it up at 1.5 steps. So it's like, and then 11, we're gonna go. So this one's tricky because you got to go 1.5 step bend on the 11, and then let it come down a half and back up and back down that half. So it's like, and then we got a 9, like a big 2-step bend on that, back to the 9. Hammer on pull off, 7, 9, 7, and then another one. 6, 9, 6, 4, 6, 4. So let's look at all that we got. And then we got 1, 2, 1, 2, and 4. We're gonna do that kind of a riff a few times in this. And then we got 4, 6, 4, 6, 7. And then 7, 9, 7 to bend the 9 real big. 9, 7, 6, 7, 6, 4. One of these again. And then 6, 4, 6, 7. So let's take a look at all that again. We got. Now we're gonna have 11 bend. So it's a regular bend and then a bigger bend. I'll do that little 9 right there to 9 here, and then 7, 9, 7. Then we're gonna go bend on the 14 and kind of slide into the 16. And then bend the 16 regular and then a bigger one. And then we're gonna go. Sounds like kind of a half step to me on this 14. 14 bend, 14. 12, 14, 12, 7, 9, 7. And then we're going to do this 1, 2, 1, 2, 4 again, but we're going to go. So kind of hold the second 1. Then do the 2, 4. And the next one's kind of like that, but a little more subtle. And then we got, that was the 4, 6, 4, 6, 7. And then we have a 9, 7, 9. So it's da-da-dum, da-da-da-dum. So it has a kind of a pause, kind of holds that note. And then 7, 9, 7, 9 again. So it's like. There we go. 7, 9, 7, 6. 6, 7, 6, 4. And then. Da 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 da. It's like 4 sets of 4 and 2. And then we do the 1, 2, 1, 4 again. And then we start going 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. And then 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1. And then our last thing is. So big bend on the 9 and then hammer on pull off. And again. Then the third one. Do 2 of those. And then come back into your E. So the whole solo again, we got. Okay, and then it stops, kind of has the E chord and stops, and we come back into the intro. One more thing about that intro is I'm hybrid picking that. I'm using that with a pick because we have that chorus comes in so fast. So if I did it with my fingers, I wouldn't have the pick to get the right sound for the. So it's a little bit harder to do that. But it's definitely worth trying to get some hybrid picking going if you haven't been doing a lot of that. So it just repeats that chorus basically, and it has an E chord at the end. That's about it for I'm So Glad by Cream. Got some great parts, great solo, great inventive stuff by Clapton where he has those big wide bends where you get so much blues and kind of feel out of that type of stuff, while also kind of going modal with that. That's like an E major scale, but it kind of has that bluesy edge to it, you know, with that flat 7 in it. So it's kind of like Mixolydian mode type stuff. All right, so great song. See y'all soon.